All right, I'm here on my Polaris XLT snowmobile, and I'm adding screen vents covers to all the openings on the sled. Those are my last two to do right there. So as you can see, that's what the finished product will look like. Pretty much nice hidden look. If you want something that really pops in some other color, you can do something else, but what I'm using is black pet screen material. You might be able to use, normal window screen, but when I was reading online, lots of guys on forums were recommending the pet screen. It's just made thicker, a little more heavy duty to prevent your pet from basically scratching or breaking through it. That's the idea. So I've yet to take it out in snow and see how it performs, but I will show you what I'm doing to install it, and then if you want to do the same on yours, I'll also make I'll ride around in some deep snow and see how it holds out the snow, whether any of my hot glue comes off. So yeah, what I'm doing to install it is just a typical hot glue gun. This is a mini one. Whatever hot glue gun you have should work fine. Normal hot glue gun sticks. Cut your pieces however you want it. But before you go, you don't just start gluing it straight on there. What I found that works best is you get the glue to attach first. So just run it along, do a little scratching. I figured out the hot tip scratching onto the plastic seems to help it adhere better. I would recommend wiping down your plastic ahead of time, although probably not totally necessary. Especially if it's really dirty, just help get the surface dirt off so that it'll adhere better. But yeah, I think having a cold garage actually helps. Right now it's a couple degrees below freezing in here, and I think that's actually helping, because then it's like instant adhering. So this is basically just going to give me a nice base layer to glue to. Because if you just try to stick your screen straight on there and glue straight on, the glue is really going to get kind of stuck in the screen and not really seep down as good as you would hope to really hold on to the sled. So in the bigger sections there, it was a little bit of a trial and error, but I would kind of do a big blob, let it dry, and then see, if I could easily pick it up with my fingernail, well, then that's not a good hold. But if it really held firmly, and a lot of it did, especially when I scratched around with the tip on the plastic, then I knew, okay, that's a good hold. And then I would glue a huge blob onto the top, as you can see. Yeah, I've done kind of some different things, some big blobs in different sections, but then I've also gone around the entire border on other ones. So, like I said, I'll get out in the field, ride the snowmobile around, really see what works, what doesn't, and we'll be able to find out on this same video how well this technique works. But yeah, really can't get any cheaper or easier than hot glue and pet screen material, so I'm hoping it's going to work well, and maybe you can do the same thing. So anyways, once you get that nice base on there, then you have your cut piece. Obviously you could do it, this was one piece. I just decided to do these in two because I just had a little piece left. I didn't really want to, so this is all nice and firm. It's not coming off at all when I kind of try to see if it's going to hold. And then now you just really blob it in there. And it has something underneath the glue that we already put to hold on to, so it seems to work really well. Just kind of blob it along that same perimeter. I need another stick, but you get the idea. All right, we'll see how our vents did. Whether the snow got inside or not. Yeah, a little bit gets through, but keep in mind that snow is very fluffy and powdery, so if it was heavier, wet snow, even less would have gotten through. So overall, I think it was worth it. Definitely better than not having any vent screens on there at all. I hope this helped you out. Catch you on the next one.